Want to learn how to make this vase? Stay tuned. The first thing we're going to do is make a sketch on the vertical plane. Then let's draw a line 220 millimeters, the height of our vase, right in the center. Next, let's draw a spline in the profile that we want our vase to be. Finish your sketch. Now we're going to create an offset plane 220 millimeters from the bottom plane. Let's now create a sketch on that new offset plane we just created. Create a construction line straight from the origin horizontally. Now let's create a shape for the top of the vase. Let's use a spline to do this. Once we create one half of it, let's mirror it to create the other half. Now let's use a circular pattern to create our top. Select both lines, then select the origin as your center, and then increase the quantity until the pieces are connected. Finally, we'll use a sweep and a top shape to create our vase. The top shape will be our profile, the center line will be our path, and the profile we made of the vase will be our guardrail. Once we're done, go to the Modify menu and hit Shell and choose 3 millimeters to make our vase hollow. Let's make a slightly more interesting shape using the exact same process that we can then slice and print. Let's export it as an STL file that we can import into Bamboo Studio. Now let's open Bamboo Studio and load our file. Let's go ahead and choose the filament we want to print with. Let's go ahead and set it to vase mode. Then let's slice our file and send it to print. If you like this tutorial on how to create a vase, please like, comment, and subscribe.